Hello traders, welcome once again. So we're going to look at the possible setups for this week of 13th to 19th of February. As usual, we're trading the pound USD, and let's see what the price action is likely going to be. Last month we saw the price come all the way down. Let me change that color. So we saw price come all the way down, and this month, well, from the end of last month, it started pushing back up. And what it has done, we had a nice bearish engulfing candle there. However, the following day, it showed some tails there, some rejection at this bottom here. And throughout the last few days, it's been rejecting, going lower. It's been rejecting that. So there's some strong support around this zone as well. If you look at it very well, there's some strong resistance along these areas here. It's not wanting to go up further. So what we're going to do, this is, as we said, this is on the daily chart. So let's mark off that level. We'll mark off these levels here and also mark the tops. So the recent top was here, that's as at last week. Let's mark off this other one. So this is like a zone. So if price, so what we expect is that if price comes in here, it might actually be rejected, because what we've had in the last few days is consolidation, sideways movement. It's not definitive like we had here. It just moved down, gave a lower low, went to a lower high, gave a lower low, lower high, lower low, etc. But we see here we're not getting lower lows, lower highs, and then also we're not getting higher highs, higher lows. So it's moving in a sideways pattern. Okay, so what we'll expect is for price to push down here, and we expect price to be rejected again, for it to come back up maybe to the mid level and then back to this top here. And once it comes back down up here, we'll look for a double top, look for kangaroo tails, look for rejection candles on the 4 hours or lower time frames for it to come back down. If it does not do that, then that means it will want to, if it comes down here, breaks below this zone here and closes below it, then we'll be looking for a trend downwards, possibly to these levels here. So what we'll expect to see, we push down, a push up, push down, push up. So we'll see it's trading that way. On the alternative, if it breaks above and closes above, then we'll look for a retracement to begin to trade to these levels here, to this level up here, and possibly get some on the retracement. We might also get some nice trades there as it continues up as well. Okay, so let's look at it on the 4-hour time frame. So we see price doing the same thing. We'll be looking for buys on this level. We'll be looking for sells in this zone. If it breaks above, closes above, then we'll look for longs. If it breaks below, closes below, then we'll look for shorts. Okay, so please subscribe, like, share, and comment on the various videos on this link, Sky Vision FX. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.